My stuff is over there and I want it.
It's coming with us.
Can you stand up so we don't have to drive you? Please don't do this.
What starts as a simple disagreement over a store discount is about to turn into a full-blown trespassing arrest. The woman says she just wants to use a discount connected to her boyfriend, but the store has already made its position clear: no discount, and she needs to leave. The officers now have a very simple choice to manage: give her every reasonable opportunity to comply, or escalate the situation if she refuses. But as you'll see, this conversation keeps going, the warnings become more serious, and eventually the decision is made to arrest her. The biggest question is this: at what point does refusing to leave a store turn a frustrating argument into a criminal situation? Watch how quickly this goes from a disagreement over clothes to handcuffs.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So I have this lady here. She was trying to buy merchandise. Unfortunately, I cannot give her a discount. When she said her brother, I have to follow Ross policy. She does not want to leave the store, and I'm gonna have to trespass.
Okay, ma'am. Can you hear me? Okay. You have to leave the store, all right?
Hard of hearing, so.
Well, you gotta leave the store, all right? If you refuse to leave, you'll be subject to arrest. Okay? You have an ID on you? Can I get your ID?
I'm gonna say no, like everybody else is telling me no.
You said what? Are you refusing to leave? Like I said, if you do not leave, you'll be placed under arrest. Okay? They're asking you to leave. They're not going to give you the discount. Okay? Are you refusing to leave? I'm going to give you one more time.
It's ridiculous.
How is it ridiculous?
I just want a discount.
You just want to what?
Discount. I don't get, they give their employees discounts, and my boyfriend works for the company and he has my money. Okay? So I don't have the money.
Well, they're not going to give any discounts.
But they won't, well, okay, that's fine. That's fine if they won't give the discount, but they won't hold it close for me.
They don't have to hold it close for you. Okay?
I mean,
It's just what?
they're totally insane.
Okay? So you have to leave the store. Okay? There's nothing I can do about it. Stand by. So you refuse to leave, you're going to be placed under arrest, okay? For trespass after warning. I've given you more.
Trespassing.
Yes, you are.
I'm allowed to be in the store.
Not if they're asking you to leave.
Yeah, what's the owner of the company?
She told you to leave.
To the
You're not going to be able to speak to the owner of Ross. You got one more time. I'm going to ask you one more time. And if you do not leave, you're going to be placed under arrest.
You're gonna hurt me.
You're just gonna go to jail.
Please don't hurt me. Like, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Next on to me, next.
You do not leave.
So will you hurt me if I don't leave?
I will place you under arrest.
Will you hurt me? I don't want to be hurt. Okay. You guys really
They want to prosecute?
me for
Yeah.
trying to get a discount.
But this is waste.
You guys want to prosecute, right?
Because this is, we're gonna be here. This is nonsense.
Do you guys want to prosecute if he doesn't leave?
I'm sorry.
Do you want to prosecute if he doesn't leave?
Prosecute press charges.
Yes.
Can I contact my store manager about this?
If you say you guys don't want to press charges, we are going to leave without telling her, without removing her from the property. If you guys want to press charges, we'll place her under arrest for trespass after warning.
Okay. Let me verify with him, and then I'll have you. Thank you, guys.
What's your name?
All right, they're calling their store manager. If you do not leave by the time they get off the phone with him, you're going to be under arrest.
So if I have to be this way, I just want
It
a
doesn't.
discount.
You need to leave.
We're telling you to leave.
I just want a discount.
You don't just get discounts because you want a discount. So you can leave or you can be placed under arrest if they want to prosecute. It's as simple as that, ma'am.
You're seriously gonna arrest me for trying to get
What discount are you wanting?
My boyfriend gets 20% off, and he works here.
Okay, your boyfriend is not here.
He will be here after 7 p.m. So I'll be here till he gets.
You're gonna If he's really your boyfriend, you're gonna make him lose his job.
Okay, well then I'm not gonna just give me a discount.
No one's going to give you a discount, okay? So you can either leave or you're going to leave in handcuffs and you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
I'm gonna go to jail for wanting a discount.
For trespassing. That's why you're going to go to jail.
Wanting a discount. So,
Okay.
like all I'm asking for is a discount. That's all I want. Is just
Well,
want a
the discount's not gonna happen.
Or I want them to hold my clothes. That's all I want.
Okay.
She wouldn't provide ID either.
I
asked her and she...
So this is going to be another charge.
I will give you my ID. You're gonna charge me for not giving you my ID.
Here is the distinction that matters most in this entire encounter. The officers are repeatedly explaining that she is not being arrested simply because she wants a discount. The issue they are describing is her refusal to leave after the store has told her to leave. In general, that is why officers use language like trespass after warning, rather than saying she is being arrested for the original disagreement. Notice something else. They continue giving her opportunities to walk away. They're also checking with store management about whether the business actually wants to pursue the matter. That creates a clear decision point. She can leave, and the encounter ends, or she can remain and risk the consequences the officers have repeatedly explained. So here's the question. Once you've been told you're free to leave, how much longer should you keep arguing before simply walking out?
I'm letting you know, you're free to leave right now, but once they tell us that they want to prosecute, you're going to be placed under arrest. Just so you know, so nothing's a surprise to you.
What does that mean? What is
Asked you multiple times to
what
leave.
is processing? What is
Trespass after warning.
They want to press charges for trespass after
It
warning.
means they want you to leave the store and you won't leave the store.
What will happen?
You go to jail
How long will I be in jail?
So someone bails you out.
till you bail out.
$1,000 bond.
So I'm gonna go to jail because I'm
So right now
trying
you
to
can leave
get
the
a
store and you won't go to jail.
Like I said, you're free to leave right now, but
But I
once
want
we
to.
get
I
told
want to just buy these clothes.
that they want to press charges, you're going to be in handcuffs and you're going to be in the back of the car.
I just want to get a discount.
You're not getting a discount.
Or I want to hold these clothes so my boyfriend can get
You're not getting a discount.
Okay, I don't have money. My boyfriend has.
You're not. We just told you you're not getting a discount. You don't have money. You don't have a reason to be inside the store.
That's fine, but
Then leave.
I don't have the money.
Okay, so that means you can't buy the clothes, so you need to leave.
My boyfriend.
Then you can call your boyfriend and tell him to purchase the clothes when he comes to work, if he still has a job after this nonsense.
It is nonsense. You guys like.
No, the way you're acting is nonsense. You're a grown woman. You need to walk out and leave so you don't go to jail. Have you ever been to jail before?
Okay, I'm not gonna go to jail. I don't want to go to jail. Just let me please talk this through. Like, what can I do? What else can I do?
We've talked it through
There's
already.
gotta
We've
be.
told you what is going to happen.
There's gotta be another solution, please. Sorry? Please tell me there's another solution.
There is no other solution. You can leave right now because you're not under arrest. They're asking you just to leave the store.
I don't want to get arrested for
You're-
wanting a discount.
You're not going to get arrested for wanting a discount. You're going to get arrested for trespass after warning. Right now, you can leave the store.
But like, are you gonna hurt me if I don't?
Nobody's going to hurt you. You can leave the store right now.
Yeah. It ain't a secret. My thing's recording too.
So I have to go to jail.
You do.
No, you have to leave the store. If you don't leave the store, then you have to go to jail.
So okay, I
Yeah,
have,
okay.
okay. So if I do not leave, I just want to make sure I'm understanding. Do you tell me my Miranda rights?
You're not detained.
What's the Miranda?
There's no reason to read Miranda
What is
for
this?
trespass after warning.
Okay, so what, all right, so we don't have to read the Miranda rights. Okay. What, so, okay, I don't want to go to jail. What else can I do?
If you don't want to go to
besides-
jail, you can just leave the store. It's that
What
easy.
else can I do besides do that?
All right, perfect, you guys. Thank you. We're trespassing.
I just want to buy these clothes. I don't.
Okay, then you can buy the clothes, but they're not giving you a discount.
I don't. My boyfriend has my money. So I can't buy the clothes.
Okay, so you can't buy the clothes. So then you'll have to leave the clothes here until you get
They
money to
won't
buy
let
them.
me. They won't. That's what they won't let me.
You want to push charges?
Let's go. Stop resisting.
You're gonna hurt me. You're gonna
Yeah, we
hurt
know.
me.
Stop
You're
resisting.
I'm not. I'm not.
Thanks. Get up.
resisting. I'm
You
not.
want to
resisting.
do it behind the back right there? All right. Did you get
All
your
right,
handcuffs
I'll
back?
leave, please.
Nope,
I'll
too late.
leave.
Nope. Too
I'll
late.
leave.
Nope. We already gave you plenty of ample warnings.
She also has a charge.
Yeah, I know. I heard you.
Thank you so much.
We just can't charge her with that because she won't walk past my stairs. But we'll get it for you.
We told you that you'd be placed under arrest, and you just wanted to sit there and record on your phone. Because you thought we were bluffing.
Can I have my phone?
Nope.
You're detained now. Nope.
I need my phone. I need to record what you're doing to me right
We're
now.
recording right now.
For wanting a discount, can you please? Can you please just give me your
Get up.
phone? So you're taking my phone from me. You're taking my phone from me, like. So you're
Ma'am, can you
wait,
walk?
you're
Thank you.
taking all my belongings?
They're gonna go
Wait,
with
no.
you. Your belongings are gonna go with you.
Then what? Then what are
on.
they gonna do?
It's gonna go in your
What are
property.
they? I need my stuff.
Can you
I need
walk
my
so
stuff.
we
That's
don't-
my phone. Like I need my
Yes.
things. You
Ma'am?
can't take my things from me. Though.
We're not
Like
taking your
please,
things.
my stuff is over there and I want it. And
Coming with us.
I
Can you stand up so we don't have
please,
to drive you?
please don't do this.
We told you what was going to happen.
I'm right behind you.
Instantly get my shoe. Please.
I got it. Let's go.
Try your shoe. Come on.
Stop tensing up. You're gonna get another charge.
Listen, can you walk so you don't get hurt?
Are you gonna hurt? So you're
No
gonna
one wants to hurt
me?
you.
Come on, please, like, don't hurt me. Like,
This is my phone.
You're the other way. Do you want us to take it?
We're already here.
ma'am,
Yeah, we're gonna get a resisting too.
come on, you're gonna hurt me.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Please don't hurt
No
me.
one is trying to hurt you.
Please don't hurt me.
Alright. Sit in that phone.
Anything on you? No. Okay. Let's go.
Can I please just have a discount?
Nope, but you're gonna free ride to the Orange County Jail.
River leg.
She's caught on me.
And this is the moment where the entire dynamic changes. Up to this point, the officers have repeatedly told her that she can avoid arrest simply by leaving the property. She has been warned, she's been told what could happen, and she's even been told that she is currently free to leave. But now the officers say the store wants to press charges, and the arrest process begins. Notice how the argument over the discount has completely disappeared from the practical equation. The clothes are still sitting there, the discount still isn't happening, and the officers aren't negotiating the store's policy. Their focus is now compliance with the order to leave. From here, every physical movement matters. The woman continues pleading and questioning the officers, while they begin transitioning from verbal commands to physical custody. Would you have walked out at this point? Or do you think she still had a legitimate reason to stay?
I just want a discount. I just want a discount. I just want a discount. Please, I just
What we're going to do
I just want a
is
discount.
we're going to put her in the car backwards, right? And then you're going to go on the other side of the car and pull her in by her legs.
You're gonna hurt me because I want a discount. You're seriously gonna hurt me because I want a discount.
Got her?
Ready?
Legs?
You're hurting me. My arm. My arm.
Stop resisting.
Yeah, go on the other side of the car.
Got her?
I won't resist. I'm sorry. Okay.
What we just watched is a textbook example of how a relatively minor dispute can become dramatically more serious once someone refuses to comply with repeated instructions to leave private property. The officers gave multiple verbal warnings, explained the potential consequence, and repeatedly offered a simple alternative: walk out and avoid arrest. Once they say the store wants to prosecute, the situation moves into an arrest. Then the focus shifts again, from verbal disagreement to physical compliance. The bodycam captures the woman expressing fear, asking about her phone and belongings, and repeatedly saying she only wanted the discount. At the same time, officers are concerned about resistance and getting her safely into the vehicle. There are clearly two different perspectives colliding here. From the woman's perspective, this started over clothes and money. From the officer's perspective, The critical issue became refusal to leave after repeated warnings. That's what makes this footage so important to analyze carefully, rather than focusing only on the original argument.
I'll get you the statement.
I think she has her stuff on her. I think she has some raw stuff in there.
So let's break down what happened. The encounter began when the woman wanted a discount that store employees said they could not provide. The store then asked her to leave, and officers repeatedly explained that refusing to leave could result in a trespassing arrest. She was given multiple opportunities to walk away, and at several points the officers explicitly told her she was still free to leave. The situation changed when the store decided it wanted to pursue the trespass complaint. From there, officers moved to arrest her, and the encounter became physical as she resisted or struggled during the process. The biggest takeaway isn't really the discount, it is how quickly refusing to leave private property can transform a minor disagreement into an arrest situation. Of course, the full legal outcome would depend on the evidence, applicable law, and what happened beyond this footage. But based strictly on this body cam, the escalation was clearly documented from repeated warnings to arrest. What do you think? Should she have simply walked out, or did the situation become unnecessarily aggressive? Drop your take in the comments. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.